What's going on, guys? And for today I am going to show you what you can do to fix your problems with Uber Eats. Now for this one, you don't actually have to go to your Uber Eats app. So all you have to do is first go to your phone's settings. Now from here, you can go ahead and scroll down and go to your apps. And from this one, you can go ahead and find Uber Eats. Now once you are in here, all you have to do is go to storage. And here you can click on clear cache. And after that, you can also go ahead and click on clear data. Now that should solve all the issues you have with Uber Eats. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.